Alright, so today we received a package from Samsung which included a few accessories they threw into the pre-order like the Galaxy Watch 4 and the Buds 2. Pretty solid bundle, but let's dive right into why you're really here, the Galaxy S22 Plus. Stay tuned as we will compare this to the S22 Ultra unboxed yesterday, but wanted to share this quick unboxing with you as I tear into this minimal packaging and rip off the plastic, not just from the back but the front, as well as all of the sides of this device. Noted in the corner of the screen here, this is being shot on the S22 Ultra in 8K. As I'm testing out the cameras a bit, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Right away, I'm really impressed with this green color. This looks incredible, especially in the various lighting here. To set up this S22 Plus, I'm going to quickly use Samsung's Smart Switch as I intend to use the same setup from the S22 Ultra. The fingerprint setup is just as quick on the Ultra with no hiccups, setting up 2 fingerprints quickly. Now that we're all set up, let's compare these two devices. While I love the S22 Ultra's burgundy color reminiscent of the Thunder Purple almost from the OnePlus 6T, I really like this green on the S22 Plus. Size-wise, the Ultra, while a bit larger and slightly heavier, they both feel great in the hand, but those deep curves on the Ultra's display really stand out next to this incredibly flat display that I'm more partial to, as I prefer flat displays like on this S22 Plus over the S22 Ultra's curved displays. Now, while I prefer flat displays significantly over the rounded curved displays, I'm still really torn on which of these devices I like the most. They're both really awesome, good-looking devices. I look forward to putting them through the paces, though, over the next few days and reporting back on which I prefer most. What are your thoughts, though, on the S22 Plus versus the Ultra? Which did you get if you also ordered? I look forward to the conversation in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more S22 series content coming soon. Thanks for watching, take care, and stay safe.